Citizens and the actions of criminals. I'm looking for one criminal in particular. A rabbit. A toon rabbit. He's about yay big. He wears big red overalls, garish yellow gloves, and a polka dot bow tie. He answers to the name Roger. Any of you have any idea where the rabbit might be? You have information?
She can be fun.
Step forward. What is your name? Marina, your friends here tell me you're harboring information on the whereabouts of Roger Rabbit. You can, you're refusing to. You know, it's not wise to align yourself with the likes of a criminal. Fear not, it's not too late. Change your mind. Unfortunately for Eddie Valiant, it's too late for him. But if you have information on Roger Rabbit, I would suggest you come forward with it now. Very well. Let him be an example to you. This one here is also harboring information on the whereabouts of Roger Rabbit. Any of you would like to join my Toon Patrol? The trick to catching a toon is to first learn how to think like a toon. There's one thing a toon can never resist. The old shave and a haircut trick. Shave and a haircut. As I suspected, there are toons in our midst. Any of you have any idea where Roger Rabbit might be? I suggest you tell me now.